This northern cardinal might look a little rough, but it's not sick, it's molting. Every year, cardinals shed old feathers and grow fresh ones, usually in late summer. That patchy look? Totally normal. Feather mites or parasites can also damage plumage, especially around the head, but they're more nuisance than threat. If it's a juvenile, it might still be swapping out its brown, baby feathers for adult reds, awkward phase included. Age and wear can dull feathers too, but this bird looks alert and healthy. So don't worry, funny feathers are just part of the process.